Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Cyrus Creations, and I believe and having a strong faith you all are doing great and safe during this pandemic lockdown. Today I'm here with the very special recipe, and it's a pandemic or lockdown special. Especially everything is closed nowadays, so it's so hard to get stuff from stores, but this video is requested by my husband, so I'm sharing especially how to prepare the chocolate cake in a mug, and we are using a microwave for that, and the preparation time is just 2 minutes and 10 seconds and magic begins. So let's go ahead and start it our today's recipe. Alright, so ingredients which we have needed for this recipe: 3 tablespoons of white flour, 4 tablespoons of white sugar, 2 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa. I'm using a Hershey cocoa. Then the pinch of salt, 1 large egg, 3 tablespoon milk, 3 tablespoon of oil, vegetable oil, and you can use chocolate chips, any kind. I'm using here Hershey milk chocolate with the almonds, and I just make it small chunks. And then also we need a 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract. I'm using this cup here. It's special for the mug cake cup. I already greased it. We need a bowl and our mixture. So all we just gonna mix all things together, and then we will ready to bake it. So the first we're gonna mix our dry ingredients, all mix together. Usually I just mix everything in a cup and just put right away in the microwave. It's so quicker. Alright, so after mixing this well, then we're gonna mix our wet ingredients. This recipe is so quick, you can make everyday fresh cake for your family. We are 2 people, so we really like it. You don't need any mixer, just mix with your spoon, fork, whatever you have, but just try to mix everything well. Alright, so our batter gonna look like something this. So yum. So simply we're just gonna pour in this mug, which already is greased, but I'm gonna show you, even though the handle is broken, this mug is very special to me, which is gifted by my friend, which say God send no stress that chocolate and prayers can't handle. Isn't that true? So let's pour our batter into this yummy mug, and I will try to put a recipe in the description box so you can easily follow it. And don't try to over bake, because then that's gonna dry your cake. So just use exactly timer 2 minutes and 10 seconds. All right, and that's it. All right, now our mug is ready to put in microwave. So simply we're gonna put inside, and first I'm gonna put 2 minutes, and then I will put the 30 seconds and just use a 10 minutes. So 2 and 10. I guess my chocolate is melted so good, but this look nice. I will wait till it's get cooled down, and then I will show you. Alright, so our mug cake is almost cooled down, and now I'm gonna show you, and also we will try that out. As you can see, it's very soft and moist, and it's perfect for one person or two people. I mean, you know, it's so easy, just in a 2 minutes and 10 seconds. Just use that perfect timing. If you do overdo, then that will be turned into like a brownie dry. And I'm gonna try it. Very yummy. It's very good. I personally don't like to use icing or any whipped cream, but if you like it, just have a whipped cream or icing on top. It's perfect. I hope you like our today video. If you do, please give this video thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel Cyrus Creations for DIY videos or cookings and sewing videos. I hope you all be safe, and I'm sending all my love and prayers for you. God bless you all. Have a fabulous day. Bye bye.